Hey, it's Tim from iRepair here, and today I'm going to be showing you the quickest way to eject water directly from your phone. You're going to want one app for this, and I'm going to leave a link for it in the description. It's called Clearwave. It's available on both the Google Play Store as well as the App Store. So here we have it on our phone, and I'm going to walk you through it. Let's open the app. Okay, so I actually have to disconnect it in order for it to work, but I'll be showing you on my screen here. So there's gonna be, let's get this as big as possible here. There's gonna be a check sound now button. You're just gonna want to click that. Oh, there you go. And it's telling me to place the phone face down. Man, that is really loud. %40 done. What it's doing there is vibrating the speaker to eject all the water from it. There is another way to do this. It's a lot simpler. And if you go to shortcutsgallery.com on your phone, scroll down to popular, you're gonna see water eject. Oh, seems to be done. 100% completed. Continue. Testing sound. If you're good with shortcuts, I'd recommend doing this. It's one less app on your phone. So if you've dropped your phone in water recently, I would recommend this. If you have a waterproof phone, this is going to be the best case scenario because water can still get in your speakers. If you have something older, I think older than iPhone 8, I'm not sure with Androids how it works, but with Apple, older than iPhone 8, you're going to want to go see a repair shop like us in there. Man, that was very loud. But we got it done. It's ejected all the water. I hope this has been helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.